You eating oatmeal? Is it good?
Mhm.
Take another bite.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah. It's okay. You can leave it down there. It's okay. Grab it.
Mm.
Get another bite, Blue. Wow, that was a good one. Was that a good bite? Maggie, do you love oatmeal?
Mhm.
Can we say our ABCs? A. Can you repeat after me? Margaret.
What?
A. Maggie.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you say A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
C,
D,
D,
E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
G,
H,
H,
I,
I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
O,
M,
M,
N, Maggie, N, O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R, R,
O,
S,
A,
T,
T,
U,
E, D,
U,
U,
V, V,
C,
V,
B,
V,
C,
V,
B,
W,
W,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z.
Z.
Yay!
Mama.
Big girl. Good job. Now you really deserve that oatmeal. Can you say bye?
Bye.